Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for all the people who are currently working in the IT industry or who are looking for job opportunities in the IT industry. You can be from a tech background or a non-technical background or even a IT and non-IT background. Okay, so this video is going to be important for all of you guys. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and everything that we are going to explain in our today's video. Okay, from the thumbnail and title you might have already guessed that this is going to be an honest review and we are going to expose a scam. Okay, I will not say technically it is a scam, but why you should be staying away from these kind of courses, otherwise what will happen. So we will discuss everything in detail. From the images, okay, that are posted on the thumbnail, you might have already identified these people. Okay, these people, all these people. So you might be getting regular ads on our videos as well as some other videos, some other Google platforms. Okay, you might be getting all these kind of ads that join the course and you will be able to earn in crores. Okay, join the course for 30 minutes and you will be mastering this one skill. Okay, join this course and you will be mastering all the interview preparation. You will be cracking all of your interviews. You will be getting 100 plus job opportunities. Okay, you can start your business. A lot of people are scamming under these names. Okay, now let us understand fundamentally what is wrong with this. Okay, so if you want to master any course, right, if you want to learn anything, you have to invest time in it, right? Only in 1 hour or 2 hour you cannot become a master of that course. Okay, you cannot become a master of that topic. You have to work hard, you have to learn a lot, you have to practice it daily, persistence and all these things. It then you become an expert in that field. Okay, if you're watching an ad, if you're clicking on that ad and if you're registering for a webinar, okay, so-called webinar or live session seminar, so if you register for that and if you attend the course, you will, if you, even if you, what we have observed, okay, most of the subscribers who have emailed us, who have told us in the comment section or in the telegram group, okay, or in the personal telegram message, okay, so what we observed was that these people, okay, they are giving ads on YouTube, they are running ads on other platforms as well, Instagram, Facebook, a lot of other platforms. And what they are doing, they're simply using the trending words that companies are like firing people due to chat gpt. Okay, you will not be able to become a product consultant, or you will not be able to you will not be able to become a like a CFA or something like that. Okay, CA, if you don't learn these skills. Okay, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, Google Documents, okay, Google PPT and everything, all these things, right? So what is basically happening, they are simply marketing you, they are simply like making fun of your, like you are scared right now because the market is not very good and they're like benefiting from that. Okay, so what exactly happens? Okay, so these guys have a fundamental analogy. Okay, I won't say analogy, but I would say they have a pattern that they are using. Okay, they are having a funnel. Now what basically happens, they simply make a ad, or like they use some trending keywords which are there in the current market: AI, chat gpt, open AI, okay, or maybe bard or something like that, okay, from Google, or maybe Bing. Okay, they will be using these kind of terms. They will be using how you can become a data analyst, data scientist, right? So they will be using some tools, Excel tool or maybe some other tool, Power BI and all these things. And then they will be telling you that you have to join this course and you will be able to learn, you will be getting a certification and you will be able to become a master. So that is not possible. Anyhow, that is not possible. Okay, guys. So what they do, simply I will explain everything in detail. Okay. So you might have already seen these ads. Okay. Now the next thing what they do is, when once you register for this program, okay, so many of our subscribers have already registered and they have been they have been forced to attend this session. Okay, forced, I won't say forced, but they had no other option, right? Like even if it is very boring, even if they are only marketing about the next courses, you have to attend because you have paid, right? So when the people, when the subscribers started to attend these courses, okay, they found that half of the time, more than like 50 to 60% time of the webinar, they are simply marketing their next courses. So this is a live course, right? Or 2 hours course, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour course, right? And in that also they are like 50 to 60% of time they're only marketing their new courses. So if I have to give you an example, they will sell you a combo. Suppose you will be learning ChatGPT, will be learning advanced Excel, you will be learning PowerPoint, Power BI, all these things you will be learning, and you will be have to paying something around 12,000, 15,000 rupees, and the total cost of that package is 1 lakh rupees. You will be getting it at like only 10,000 rupees because you have registered for this webinar. So these are the all things that are happening right now. Okay, and you should not fall prey to all such things. Okay, so that is the reason we are making a video, so that you can be aware that it is really difficult to make 3 crores straight away from a 2 hours or 3 hour session. So you have to invest a lot of time, you have to acquire the skills, and there is a knowledge, like ocean of knowledge. Okay, there is a knowledge ocean for you. YouTube is one of the source. There are many free resources. Okay, edX is one of the free resource. You can go to MIT courseware. Okay, so there are a number of free resources that you can utilize to get and acquire these skills right now. Okay, they are you are becoming a soft target because you need a job, or you want to switch the company, or you are scared about you losing a job. So that is the thing that they are like benefiting from. Okay, so don't be scared of anything. Okay, simply be confident, and if you need anything, do let us know in the comment section. We will happily help you guys. Okay, if you want us to make a video on any particular topic to highlight the importance, or if you want us to make a video to expose any kind of scam, do let us know. You can also send an email at our email ID, that is business.ed@gmail.com. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. And guys, one important point is that please like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also be aware about these scams that are happening and they do not fall prey to these scams. Okay, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will ultimately help you as well as us. Thank you again for watching this video, guys. If you find it meaningful, do share it with your friends. Thank you.